Hey guys, I think I figured out why some of you are having a hard time turning in assignments. So I logged in as Andrew because he's one who had some trouble. He's turned in some assignments and others he's done, but has been unable to turn them in. So I logged in as him. You can see Andrew is logged in here, and I got looking around. So I went to the classwork, which is where all your assignments are. And then when you're in there, you can look up here and view your work. I'm going to just do that to make it a little bit easier for us to look at. Yesterday's assignment is an example of that. And so I wondered, why did Andrew not turn this in? And so when I clicked on the Google document, this is what I saw. See, and Andrew did reply. He did write his answer. But you'll notice up here, there's no option to turn this in. And so the reason for that is all your options are not being shown right now. If I click this little down arrow that says show the menus, that will show me all of my options. And that's when you will see the option to turn in your assignment. So he could turn it in here. And I'm just going to do that right now. That's like physically giving me the assignment or giving me the paper if we were at school. And then I can comment on it or whatever. So now, some of you also were wondering about how do I know if my stuff is turned in? Well, I will show you. Everything is a little slower when I'm making a screencast for some reason. Okay, so now if I look in, oh, this is me logged in as a teacher. I want to show you how Andrew would know if his is turned in. So I'm just back to Andrew's list of work. I'm going to refresh this page because I've made some changes because I turned it in, and it should say that it's turned in now. And if it's not, I'll show you one other thing. So I can see the Louisiana Purchase assignment here. When this finishes loading, it should say that it's turned in. But it does not. It says not turned in. So let's investigate. So I'm in the assignment now. And since I left some comments and sent this back, I returned it to Andrew. He could work on the assignment, make changes, improvements, whatever, and resubmit. That will turn it in again. Otherwise, if it was the first time around, he could turn it in from here. So I'm going to just try to resubmit that, and then it will say turn in right there. And then when Andrew looks at his list of work, he should say turned in. Let's keep our fingers crossed. So now when I look at Andrew's list of things to do, this is the Louisiana Purchase assignment. It says that it is done. It does say it's late because there was a due date of yesterday. It's not that big of a deal. But it does now say that it's turned in. So if you continue to have problems or there's something that I'm not quite understanding, set up office hours and I'll be glad to help you. Hope this helps.